So now this question is asking about limits. What a great question. It has so much in it. It has additivity of integrals in it. It has the first part of the fundamental theorem of calculus. Sorry, the second part of the fundamental theorem of calculus, along with some integral properties. It has the first part of the fundamental theorem of calculus, along with how to the candidates test for finding maxes and mins, and that also you could use the first part, the first derivative test, and now it has limits. So exciting. All right, so we're going to do part D. With limits, the first thing you should try is substitution. It might just work. So we're going to do substitution. So 10 to the first power minus 3 times f prime of 1. How are we going to figure out f prime of 1? Come back to that. And then f of 1 minus arctan of 1. Oh, now it's also bringing up trig. So arctan means the angle that gives me a tangent of 1. So that's going to be pi over 4 because that's when sine and cosine are equal. All right, so 10 to the 1 is 10. And now we have to go to this problem of f prime of 1. So here's 1. Luckily, that's a part where the graph is straight. So I can figure out f prime because it's just by reading slope off the graph. So it's going to be 3 times 2. And then f of 1 is going to be 1 because that's the y-coordinate of the graph. And then minus pi over 4. Again, you can stop there. You could simplify to 4 over 1 minus pi over 4. You could multiply everything by 4 over 4, but now we're getting a little bit scary because I don't want you to make a mistake as you're doing arithmetic, which is not required. But if you did, you'd have 16 over 4 minus pi. Again, you don't have to. You have to have the correct answer. You can leave the arithmetic to your grader.